Hi, how are you doing today? Today, what we're going to do is we're going to see what's in my wapiti. So check this out. Hello, hello. How are you doing today? Today, I'm going to show you my wapiti that I got. I got this one from a secondhand store called J-Ports. So that one, they're active on Facebook. So yeah, so the only thing here is that I think this one comes um, with a holder, but then I don't have that. I'm looking online where am I going to get that one, but I haven't had a chance to look around. So today what we're going to do is explore what's inside my wapiti. Wapiti, so here's the wapiti. It's a really nice cute pouch, silver hardware, and it's really gorgeous. I really like it. I really love it. So yeah, so the only thing is I really need to have the handle of it, the strap I should say. So yeah, it's missing the strap, but overall that's really good. The one inside of this one is going to be a really cute red suede type of thing. So I'm going to show it to you, and then at the same time I'm going to show you what's inside. So yeah, but anyways, I'm going to flip the camera so that you will see what's inside and what can fit my wapiti. So here you go. So this one, it has a almost all around zipper. So this one, I put my jewelries on this. The first one, I have this. This is from Chanel. So remember this one? So that's what I have. So this one, I put every single jewelries I have from the luxury stores. And then here's the Tiffany. So Tiffany, I do have the bracelet. So there you go. So at the same time, this is going to be my luxury jewelries. And then the Tiffany necklace. So this is what I got. And then I should put this one on here so that later I can take a picture of them. So this one, I really love it. It has Chanel necklace. I just unboxed this one. And then I do have Louis Vuitton, but I don't think this is Louis Vuitton anyways. So this one is the Tiffany necklace. So this one is long, so that's the thing about it, the thing that I like about. So yeah, because this is really long. And then we do have the Hermes one, with a leather strap, or with the leather necklace. I make that one longer, I should say. There you go. And then we have another one. Oh, this one is an Hermes too. It's a perfume one in a gold one. So if you're going to smell this one, it smells so good. So that one is Hermes. I got most of this one. I got this one from J-Ports. Actually, it's the New York one. And then this is the other one. This one, I got this one from on Etsy, and then the lady has a this one comes with a padlock, a Louis Vuitton padlock. And then yeah, so these are the things that inside my wapiti. And then like I said, inside it's red interior, and there's Louis Vuitton on this side, Louis Vuitton made in France on here. And then I haven't seen the date code on this one. Probably it was rubbed off already. Yeah, but this is really nice because this one, the one inside, it's a really stunning red. And then that one is kind of like a suede type of thing. So yeah, so that's what's inside my my Wapiti. I hope that you like this video. It's just a short video that's showing you all my Tiffany collection, my Hermes, and then my one and only Chanel necklace. Oh, it's really nice. And then on the back of that, it's the code of it. And then here is the Chanel. And I just found out that this one is 925, so it's a silver. I don't know which one is the silver, so if you're going to look on that, it's 925. I don't know if this is just the silver or the whole thing is a silver. And then of course, return to Tiffany, so there's nothing on the back, but this is the longest chain I have. Then there's the Tiffany tag, and then the Hermes with its lanyard, but there's nothing on the back. So yeah, and then also the Hermes one, the Hermes necklace, there you go. And then with the perfume, I love this one. I love this kind of like eccentric pieces. And then I don't know how to open this. I wonder how we can open this one so that I can put some perfume inside. And then this one is a silver. So yeah. I hope you like this one. And then of course those are the Tiffany bags, Das bags, Louis Vuitton and Tiffany. And then this is the Wapiti. The Wapiti bag. So it's a gorgeous, gorgeous bag. I like it because it's small. And then the canvas is really nice, really good. And yeah, there you have it, my small jewelry collection. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. I hope you find this Wapiti a helpful one. It can fit a lot because the jewelries I have, they can fit on this little thing. So this one is measuring probably 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So 3 by 2, and then the depth would be 1.5. So yeah. So yeah. I really love this. And then this one is useful for me when you travel. You can bring this one. This one is your jewelry pouch that you can have. So yeah, so I hope this one helps you to find this gorgeous piece, because this one is a unique piece that you cannot just find this around anymore anyways, or if you find some, it would be hard or it would be expensive. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. Do what makes you happy. Once again, have a wonderful day. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? This is Carlo and from Carlo&Seb channel. In this channel we do fashion review, unboxing, we do lifestyle, and then we also do travel. So if you're into all those, subscribe now, comment below, and like this video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.